off of there. And we're replacing this with Irnieracing. Yeah. Not good. Alex Dumas hasn't come back in yet. Francois is going to see what's going on up there. So, tell me about your last race.
Crash.
Crash. Yeah, man. So, is that your first crash?
Yeah.
All right, pound, bud. That's good. He survived. He survived. And with a smile. Look at this. Mini Dumas and big Dumas. The racers of the world. Of Quebec. Okay, I'm going out for practice with WERA. And then racing starts after that. So what? What was that race? Formula One?
Yeah, it was very fun.
Yeah.
The funniest part is when I pass you.
I wasn't laughing though. I was like, damn it, I went into neutral and...
On the start, you passed me?
I didn't really see you, I just went right by you.
You passed me and said, oh fuck, he's again another time in front of me.
Twice I beat him on the launch, yeah.
That thermostat piece is nowhere to be found. I don't have one. Germany doesn't have one. BMW doesn't have one that I can find. So it's kind of factory back ordered, so I don't know where it's at or when it's going to be available.
Alright guys, this is Marcel. This is Open Supersport. Open Supersport. First race I missed yesterday. Shit. Oh, somebody crashed. Whoa, way too hard in the front brake. Shit, wrong gear. Fuck. Whoa, that's too sketchy. Come on. Whoa, shit. On the gas. Whoa, I almost lost the rear. Red flag, red flag. That was nuts. Holy shit. That was just nutty. Alright, we're getting some stickers on here. With Crew Vanessa. Woodcraft is on the bike. Bam! See, sponsorship duties. You'd be amazed at how many people actually like looking at stuff like this, because they don't have a BMW and they're like, what does it look like, right?
Yeah. What's with this sticker?
Graves is the exhaust. This thing right here. Alright guys, combustion leak test here. Let's say that. What are we doing?
We're doing a combustion leak test on the Beamer.
Alright, let's rock and roll. Dumas woke me up at 6, but I didn't get that on film. Had to charge the camera. Alright, so we got warm and hot. We're gonna run hot. And remember the safety disconnect for a quick release disconnect, so no mistakes, no burning. Okay, Formula 1 is coming up next year. We're just in a holding pattern because they're cleaning up the track after somebody crashed. Nice pass, Dumas. Damn it! On the line? Yeah. How are those heroic gloves working for you?
Good. I love those ones.
How old are those things?
They're new from like a couple race, and I fell Friday.
That's right. He fell on Friday. Yeah.
Low side.
Yeah. I woke up to the sound of like the rattling, and luckily I got out of bed and went and grabbed it as the thing was about to take off, and it lifted me off the ground. I was about to lose the canopy into Dumas's trailer. I was like yelling, "Dumas, help!" And the thing was like picked up, and I almost lost it. I saved it. New front tire again?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I see you're a mechanic. He's gonna put a new front tire on for you?
Yeah.
Patrice, yeah?
Yeah. And new oil level?
A new what?
Oil.
Oil level. You changed the oil?
No, just the level.
Oh, but like in your forks or in the motor?
The forks.
Oh yeah. And how many shocks do you have for your two Beamers?
Just 2 plus 1 spare.
Oh, okay. I thought you had like 2 spares. Yeah.
Oh, just 1.
Yeah.
And which we keep trying to do. The bike is okay now, but we keep trying to work because next weekend will be for the AMA.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, Dumas is doing AMA next weekend. Lucky guy.
First AMA, 42 years old. That's great.
42, 29.
Yeah.
So you're 13 years older than me. Not too bad.
Yeah.
I'm almost 29 on July 31st.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, you got any final words for the race?
Have fun.
Okay. Anything more exciting than that?
Have very fun.
This is Formula 1. Formula 1. All right. Whew. I put that new used tire on again, the actual one I bought from yesterday's final race, and so it's going to have a little better traction for this race than the last one, which I got 5th, but technically 6th because they red flagged it and didn't count my pass.
hit the inside curving and then just knocked over. Oh shit. Okay guys, yeah, we're all recording 3 drift cams. Okay, last race possibly of the year for me. I am looking for a title sponsor, but anyone who is interested in joining up with me and going racing or supplying money so I can go racing, or doing something with racing, anything to help out. Donations to Marcel at Irnieracing.com. PayPal is much appreciated. Shit, I almost forgot. I need to turn my music on and play. Next song. Ah, good song. Perfect. This is going to start a better race now. Row 13. Left. 13 guys. All right, take her easy. I'm taking her easy. I smell race fuel in this Aprilia. Nice looking machine, huh?
We're gonna put the new tire on. First new tire this year that I've ever bought. 220 bucks cash.
1 tire in a year. Yeah. Everyone's filming now. I used to do that, and people would ridicule me for filming races. Yeah, the WERA Club would make fun of me at the novice meetings, like, don't be like Marcel and film everything. Anyways, now it's everybody. Funny how you get persecuted as the first. They used to freaking like give me hassles for running helmet cameras and all sorts of stupid shit. Anyways, we're going for an amazing launch right up to Dumas. Drag racing 101. Whoa, this buddy screwed that up. On the brakes. Whoa. I hold it.
time, it's crazy. Whoa. Not gonna make it. Big crash. Oh no, it's Dumas. No, I don't know who it is. Nice job, Marie. She's awesome. Whoa, shit. Perfect corner, dude. Whoa, shit. Almost rear-ended her, so I had to throw it away.
Father like son, huh? You just had to put her down in the last race?
The same last race and same turn.
Oh man, I almost beefed her there too a couple times.
So you see her.
Yeah. It was funny because Marianne was texting me, she's like, beat Dumas. And then I finally beat you, ironically. Not the way I wanted to though, but
next time.
You're alright, man?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good.
And now they come back.
Day is over. So what do you think about your old man's last race? This was a laugh, that's about it, huh? Yeah, he's copying you, huh? He just had to show you that it's okay. Alright, man, good job, bud. Cheers. That's Dumas' bike from his crash in the death-defying corner that we all don't like. Look at this. Packing time, bike's upstairs. All right, keep going. I'm almost done packing. to Disturbing the Peace car audio. Thanks for the music. There we are right there. Yeah. Kevin, Disturbing the Peace. Peace. Just launch and go.
Launch and go, but I don't know. If I launch and go, and then you go.
You're hilarious. Well, I want to say you're an amazing competitor. I was really proud to race with you, and I wish you the best of luck next weekend.
Perfect, same thing here.
Cheers.
Take care. It was fun. Thank you.
Yes. Bad. 3 races on that tire. That is wet out there. Woo. Okay, let's pause this. So it's fitting, just packed up in time. Like, just finished packing and then the storm rolls in. Now, this has happened before, but at Mont Tremblant, Jason Williams, remember? Like, the storm came in, we were only half packed. All the cardboard that holds everything together destroyed, and oh, it's just so wet. Everything's so wet. It was kind of miserable. But Mont Tremblant's awesome, though. Better than Miller still. I mean, different but better track. I love swimming. Ça va bien. This is why we go Mont Tremblant, because we go swimming. Anyways, I'm gonna go for a swim, but no, to the shower. Cheers. Just raining out there. Just Charleston. See you later, bud. Damn it. I just ran to the showers and they're locked. Ugh. Damn it.